morning. Today I have a lot to do. It's actually Friendsgiving. I'm a little late because I have to do my hair, which is why I decided to record, because you guys wanted to see a video of me recording my hair, so I decided why not make it a little vlog. So I am just getting started with the day. I worked out last night and I just kind of put it in a bun, and this is what I'm left with, not the vibe. But anyway, so I'm gonna be doing my hair today. Also gonna be like getting dressed and all of that kind of stuff, and just taking you guys along with me. The tea that I'm having, y'all, I wish y'all could smell it. This is my white peppermint chocolate tea from Lion's Tea. It smells good, it tastes good, it is everything. And I love them because they have caffeine-free options. I can't have caffeine, it just makes me feel too jittery. So I love this. They have so many different flavors. They have Earl Grey, New York Breakfast, and so many other. Those are their signature flavors. All of their tea bags are made of PLA, and the tea bags are full of actual tea leaves. And look at this cute wooden gift keepsake box. It has a removable divider, so the box can be used for whatever you want. This would be a great gift for Christmas, birthdays, etc. So y'all check it out. Go to lionsteaexchange.com to check out their limited edition flavors and use my code right here for 10% off your checkout. This legit just tastes like Christmas. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this hair so you guys can see me straighten it with the steamer. I was telling you guys in my last video that a steamer actually adds moisture to your hair, whereas traditional straighteners pull moisture from your hair. So I just don't like direct heat. So I'm gonna show you exactly, I was about to say to achieve this look, not this look. I'm gonna show you guys how I typically achieve my look when I have straight hair. Right now it is just an absolute mess. But anyway, I'm gonna have to co-wash my hair and then let it dry. And then I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to use the steamer.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my.
All right, guys, so y'all already know the drill. So I'm gonna go in with half aloe and half water. I'm just gonna just spray this all over my hair. I just make sure that I get it all over. Then I just kind of scrunch my hair like this just to make sure the aloe is being absorbed into my hair. And this is just so nourishing for the hair, y'all. So now I'm gonna go in with this Silk Elements. I actually double heat protect my hair. So this is the Silk Elements heat protectant spray. And I actually spray it directly onto my hand, into the palm of my hand, so I can spread it out evenly. Whenever I spray it just directly on my hair, it doesn't get all the coverage, so I spray it on like this. And I just take it and I just distribute it throughout my hair like this. Then after I do this, I'm gonna go in with a dry heat protectant after my hair dries. I'm trying to hold it up so y'all can see, but I can't get it all the way in my hand, but I just kind of puddle it like that. And then put it all throughout my hair. And I'm just so extreme. I do not skip double heat protectant because I just don't want to damage my hair, even though I'm using a steamer. I just had a bad time with heat damage before, y'all. Oh, y'all saw it. I made a whole video about it. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna attach it. My hair was so bad. I'll link it below. And that is it for this step, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, and then I'll come back and steam. Believe it or not, my hair is actually dry now. It only took about 20 minutes. When I don't put conditioner in my hair dries really fast. But so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Moroccan oil. This is for dry hair. This is another heat protectant. This is my favorite heat protectant. And I also just sprayed this directly onto my hand and put it in my hair. Y'all, we are out. Okay, we're gonna run to the store and then we're gonna use this. Oh my gosh, I have to go. I'm gonna run to Sephora. It's not that far from my house because I cannot put heat in my hair without heat protectant. So let's go on a trip. All right, y'all, so I did my makeup to at least save on a little bit of time. I feel like I'm gonna be late. Why am I always the one late? It's always something that happens. But anyway, so I'm gonna record on my phone. This is what I record on. This is by Lysen. Look how easy this is, y'all. You literally just can attach it anywhere. I record with this all the time. This goes pretty much anywhere. Pull it out like this. It has adjustable angles, and then you just attach your phone to it. Look, bam. You can literally stick this to any surface, and it just automatically attaches like that. I just think that's so cool. Or like up here, and see it has an auto suction. You can flip it around like that. I just think it's super cool. Look at that. Anyway, it's called the Lysen Suction Pro. I'm gonna leave you guys a discount code in the description box. Now let's go because we are late. So this actually works out for me because I actually needed to pick up some perfume because I am out and I have like 1,000 Sephora gift cards because every holiday I'll always just ask for a gift card. So they are so packed in here today, but I found my perfume. Just need to get them to unlock this. This is insane. Okay, so here it is. It has this little reservoir here. I'm just gonna fill this up with water. It still has a little water in it from the last time I used it, but you fill this up with water and this is what distributes the steam. And so I don't put any other product in my hair. The heat protectant is what's gonna act like my oil. The first one that I put on, the Silk Elements, that's gonna be considered basically my oil base. I don't like heavy oils in my hair because then it weighs it down. I also don't like to do my hair too slick. I kind of like for it to look textured, so I don't do too many passes. So now what I'm gonna do is just take a pick and just detangle my hair. The noise that you guys hear in the background is the steamer. It makes a funny sound. I'm looking at myself on camera and it looks like I'm being so rough, but I'm not. All right, we got one side down, now this side. So I have it mostly detangled now. And so I'm just gonna go in with the steamer, and that sound you hear is the steamer. I don't know why it sounds like that, but that's the sound. So it has this little comb on it. Oh, I thought it had something on it. It has this little comb on it, and it seems like you can't get this through your hair, but you actually can. Like that. Same. So we're just gonna do this all throughout my hair. And that is it. That's how I steam my hair. That thought looks so big. It is getting hot in here, so I'm just gonna twist this piece of the hair out of my face. Whew. So that is it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair to the side, because I always do, and then I'm going to add some little rods to it just to give it some body. But this is what it looks like, all straightened. I love the steamer. All right, so I'm really about to get out of here this time, but I took one of the rods out. I just wanted to show you guys because I was like, I didn't show them, but I am so late. So it has like a snap. I'm trying to unsnap it now, but I just don't like for my hair to be too straight. Like it has to have a little body. I didn't keep them in there long, but that's kind of what it looks like. Take this next one out. I get these off Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. But I just kind of do it like that, see? And then I just kind of fluff it out like this. And then there we go. I got a little body. All right, y'all, I am late. Don't forget to check out Lion's Tea. I'll leave a link for that in the description box. Also about the phone holder for license, I will also leave that in the description box, as well as, because I noticed that I did not say the name of the steamer. The name of the steamer is the Wavy Talk Steam Pro, and I had a collaboration with them a while ago, so if I can still use that same discount code, because I could get you 25% off, if so, I will put that in the description box as well. Actually, I'll call them or email them and make sure before this video uploads that I'll get a discount code for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm late. I gotta go.